So today we're tracking hurricanes, and if you're having trouble or you're confused, this video is going to show you how to fix your problems or show you how to do this activity. A couple things to keep in mind as we do this. Latitude is going up the side here. So you see like 15 degrees north, 20 degrees north, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. These are your latitudes, and you have to use the latitude column for that. So like, let's say, for example, the latitude was 25. It's right here. And then you'd have to find the longitude to decide how far to go over. Longitude is either at the bottom or the top. And you can tell that by the west, the W for west. And you can see 105, 195. It goes all the way across to 50 degrees west. And you're going to use that second column here for longitude. Don't worry about wind speed. We're doing that tomorrow. So pretend like this isn't here for today. So Hurricane Katrina. If you're in class, you're doing this on paper with the colored pencils. If you're at home, you're doing it exactly how I'm going to show you here. What you're going to do if you're at home is you're going to take the yellow dots that are on the left-hand side of your slide, and you're going to look at your latitude and longitude for each of the 8 different dates and times. So for example, on August 24th, 2005, Hurricane Katrina was at 23.4 degrees north, 75.7 degrees west. So you take one of these dots, you'd go up and you'd find 23.4 degrees north. So it's going to be between 20 and 25. You could say it's somewhere in the middle, like here is pretty good. And then we have to go over to a longitude of 75.7. So we'll go over. It's going to be very close to 75. So it'll be right about there. And you have your first point. If you're in class, you're going to be plotting that point on the paper lab that I gave you, all right, but in the same exact way. Then you go to the second one, all right, 26 degrees north. So then you go up. It's between 25 and 30 for the latitude. It's closer to 25, so we could say it's about there. We'll go over to 77.7 for the longitude. And make sure you're being precise here today, guys. It's important. We could say it's about there. It's right in between 75 and 80, so that's a good little spot. And you're going to keep going like that. Once you have all your points, you're going to connect them. All right, you can do this in one of 2 ways. You can use the scribble tool, or you can use this line, and you can connect the points like that. All you should do if you're going to use the line, though, is change it to the color. 8 might be a little too much, so maybe like 3. You could fix it a little bit so that it's a little neater. Move it over. And if you're in class, you'll just draw that. So there you go. You have your line, you connected your points, and you'll keep going on and on as you track Hurricane Katrina and you see where it goes as it approaches the United States. If you're still having trouble after this video, make sure to ask me.